Recently, Microsoft added an amazing app inside Teams, and that app is called YouTube. You won't see it by default. In a meeting, click on Apps, search for YouTube, and add it. First time you add it, it'll give you some instructions. So go to YouTube, find the video which you want to use during this meeting, click on the share button, copy the link. Now come to Teams, paste the link, and now you have a choice. Do you want to watch it right now or add it to queue? Because we are preparing for the meeting, I will say add it to queue. I've already done that and added 3 videos to the queue. Now, when I'm running the meeting and I actually want to show the video, I click on the watch together button. Now the video is starting for me separately and it will be synchronized with all other participants of the video. My screen is not getting shared. My audio is not getting shared. Individual participants are running the same YouTube video on their PC or their device live. So now let me run the video. The OneNote best practices video had amazing response. So this video we are going to cover play and pause from here, rewind, forward, jump to a particular location. All the standard controls are there. But imagine what will happen. That YouTube video has its own audio. Everyone is hearing that audio in their PC. Now, suppose while the video is going on, I want to explain something. I will speak and my audio and the YouTube audio will just clash with each other. So watch what happens. I'm going to run the video, let the YouTube audio come, and then I'm going to talk. It should be done in chat. Easy. Now, if it is something longer term, few people are involved. Now I'm speaking. Now notice what happens. It understands that I am speaking and it automatically reduces the YouTube volume. The video has not stopped, but the audio went down. If I pause for some time, the audio of YouTube will come up. This is called ducking in technical language. Everyone knows that. But there is one type of group chat which people are not using. This automatic audio ducking is smart sound, which is on by default. Other party does not have any controls. They just have a button called take control. If you want, you can enable group control, in which case everyone in the meeting can play and pause the video at any time. So next time you're in a meeting, add relevant YouTube videos to the queue and use them to your advantage. But wait, before you go, Teams Best Practices video is one of my most popular videos. Do have a look at it. I'm sure you will find something relevant, useful, and immediately beneficial. So that's it for now. Thank you.